right, guys, we got something, man. I'm telling you, it has a little size on it. You get it in. Guys, it is a carp. It is a nice size carp too. It is the biggest one I've caught out of here ever. He's got some strength on him. I am tangled up in this. Boy, he is strong. All right, guys, here we go. All right, nice size. Biggest thing I've ever caught out of here. All right, guys, like I said, they're in here, and the biggest things you're gonna catch are these right here. Caught them off of a red worm, 10-pound test line. But we're gonna go ahead and get him back in there. Nice carp. Coach G, you finally caught one. Let's let him go. Don't step over your rod, like my grandma used to say. All right, we're gonna put him on the edge and watch him go. There he is, swimming away, guys. He's good, or she's good. So finally caught one good enough to talk about. All right, like I said, I see him breaking the water, breaking the surface all the time. I don't usually like catching carp, but that was pretty good. That's pretty fun. All right, let's see if we can catch another one.